What's going on, Conde crew? Rodeo Bo here, and today we're going to be sublimating a graduation stole with our DK20S. Let's go! First things first, you're going to need a sticky lint roller. You're also going to need a pair of scissors to cut out your transfer. You're going to need some Pro Spray. That's right, some Pro Spray. Go ahead, get yourself some of that adhesive spray. You're going to need the graduation stole, the GSTL72. It's an adult graduation stole. It is 72 inches long. As you can see, it's got a tag side, so you can have the inside and the outside to make it very easy on you. All of this was printed on the Epson SureColor F570 desktop sublimation printer. This is a professional desktop sublimation printer that can print up to 24 inches in width. Go ahead, check out Conde.com and see all of the specials for the Epson F570 SureColor 24-inch professional sublimation printer. Inks are also available at Conde.com and everything else that you will possibly need. All right, and now we're going to go ahead. We're going to cut our transfers apart. Just go ahead, take your scissors, and let the scissors do all the work. Once you go ahead and get it all cut apart, what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to decal the edges. Decal the edges is just a fancy term, meaning you are going to rip the edges as shown like this. Tearing the edges will help hide unwanted press lines. Then you're going to want to dry your transfers. Just hover your heat press over your prints for about 10 seconds. We're going to lint roll to make sure all of our debris is off our graduation stole. After drying, you're going to want to pre-press your graduation stole. Add a layer of protective paper on the top and bottom platens. Now here comes the Pro Spray. You're going to go ahead and spray your Pro Spray on your transfer. I like to waft it through. Place a sheet of protective paper on your lower platen. Then go ahead and put your transfer down. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your graduation stole and line it up with your transfer. Once your graduation stole is in place, go ahead and give your stole a good pull. Make sure it's tight on your transfer. Make sure there's no wrinkles, bunches, or anything else that may mess up during pressing. Once you're satisfied, flip your graduation stole over and press for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure listed on Conde.com. After pressing, go ahead and remove that cover paper and transfer, and repeat those steps for the other side. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you sublimate a graduation stole. Product questions, give Conde a call at 1-800-826-6332 or email sales team. You can also just check out Conde.com for more information. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and ring all the notification bells so you're up to date with everything that Conde's doing. Until next time, I'll see you later.